Just a quick heads up. If you sign up for NordVPN using the link below, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And this helps support the channel so that I can keep making helpful videos, and I really appreciate it. But before we continue, I want to kindly remind you, if you are following this tutorial, please make sure to use my special link to get started. You can find it right below this video, in the description, in the pinned comment, or you can simply scan the QR code you see on your screen. If you are not familiar with how QR codes work, don't worry. I've made a short video right here on this channel showing you exactly how to download and use a QR scanner on your phone. Just look for it in this channel and you see how to install it and use it on your phone. By using my link, you not only get access to the official website and often benefit from exclusive discounts or even deals, because these discounts and deals will make you to pay at a reduced price. But you also help support this channel so that I can keep creating more clear, practical tutorials like this one, all at no extra cost to you. So let us go ahead and follow together step by step. I will show you exactly how you go from that link all the way to the download page, whether you are using a phone or a computer. Let me share my screen with you, please. Okay, we are in the case now where we are trying to download it on our computer, and then you're on the page where my video is displayed on YouTube. You have the QR code you can scan, or you can just scroll down to the video description if you like. You click on more, you can see the link there, and then you can also click there to move to the download page, or you can go right down to the pinned comment if you like. Either way, it will take you from the link to the download page. Let's go in this case now to the video description, and then we click on the link. You see it's opening now a new browser where we are going to land on the page of NordVPN. Let's just be patient as it is loading so that we can go and download and get the setup that we are going to install on our computer from the official website of NordVPN. That is it, that has opened. And once it has opened here, your main focus should be up there where you see download VPN. That should be your main focus, where you see download VPN, because you want to download it, and as I said, to try it first of all for free. Just put your mouse there, don't click. As you put, it will show you, is it to download for Windows, Mac, Android? Is it for an extension? You put on it, as I said, in our case it's Windows. I'm going to click on Windows, and as I click on Windows, as easy as that, when I click on it, the download will then begin. That's just how easy it is to get the setup we use. Patient a bit so that we can have the setup that we are going to run. And that setup now will help us to install it on our computer. Just be patient, that's it. I just need to right click, then I go and get the setup. Let me get it, let me copy it and paste on the folder created on the desktop. It's good to save it. You may have more computers. Just paste it here and then I run it. Let me double click on it and the installation process will begin. Let me just double click on it. Just be patient a bit as it is loading. Just be patient a bit. Very soon it will show you so that you can accept their terms, and then you move on with the installation process. Just be patient a bit, please. You open the page, and then we can move on with installation process. That's it loading. As you can see, NordVPN on screen. Let's just be patient a bit. Please, we need to do this because we want your computer to be safe. Just click on suivant. My own case here, you see suivant, but I need to change the language because my system is in French. I will just go up there and click and select English. That's easy as that. I click now on next to move on with the installation process so that everything can be in English. Click on install here. Just select install and then the installation process will continue. Please click on install. I'm just patient a bit because I want that as you have clicked on the link or you scan that QR code, you just follow along and install it on your computer right now, please. You want your computer to be safe and invisible. That's it. Now they say it will be done in a moment. I'll just be patient a bit. And it says you can use NordVPN on up to 10 devices with just one account. Just see how wonderful it is. Up to 10 devices. As it loading, almost at the end, then we are there. You can now launch now NordVPN. You see at the corner here, there is an add-on there to protect you even when you browse online, an extension. Just click now on launch NordVPN to begin setting up the dashboard on our computer too. Just be patient as it's loading. See, the extension has taken all my browsers, and this is excellent because when I be browsing online, I will be completely protected by NordVPN. Here now you need not to get connected. You accept their terms. Then you can now create an account or you connect. Let me change again to go to English. That's it. You just need now to log in because we already have an account, as you can remember. We created an account when we were logging to the first phone, and we use it to connect up to 10 devices. How crazy this can be. You just need now to go sign in with Google, and I will select that Google account that we used together when we were creating the first account. I will select that very Gmail that will be used here to now protect this computer. Please, let us really do that. You say great, you are in. You see now that very account now was used to connect this other one here. If you like that there should be an extension you can accept here, so now just click on continue and then you are in. That's it, that is loading. Then you need now to just finish now here to land now on the dashboard. So you can now just click here on finish to land on the dashboard. But if you like here, as you can see on the dashboard, and that is it now trying to search for the nearest and safest location so that we can connect our VPN. This is the dashboard. As you can see, you have even Threat Protection Pro, which is unique only with the version that you install on your computer, because this one is not available on phone, acting like an antivirus. Here now you see auto connected is on. It means that now you are connected to the VPN and you are really protected online. That's good job. You can even see under here, if you want to change the country, just scroll on this list and you select the country you prefer if you don't want the one that is selected automatically. Great job to you. Thank you very much for paying attention to this demonstration.